Yun, siyempre nagpapasalamat kami sa pagtanggap sa amin, lalong-lalo na kay Ate Rio. Siyempre sa kanyang napakabait na asawa, ang aking brother at kaibigan ni si Boss Les Haynes, mga idol. Kung gusto nyo pumunta rito, lalong-lalo yung mga kamag-anak o yung mga classmate nyo, sila Ate Rio, dito lang bisitahan nyo para siyempre maganda yung lokasyon, maganda yung lugar. Alam nyo na, nanupata mga kabalin!
Bagsak Papa! Bagsak Papa!
I'll see you around soon.
Yes,
Last week of February. Last week of February.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not gonna burn your throat, but it's gonna burn your stomach.
Burn my liver.
I'd purify that.
Try. Kung kusok tong. Is for Chinese or?
I think it tastes Chinese.
I'll try. Kung fu. Try.
Take a big gulp, like a man's gulp. That's it.
It takes.
Babae.
Oh, man, so much. You don't have any face reaction on that one?
And when I see her face, it takes me away to that special place. If I stay too long, probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine.
What's the version?
Sweet child of mine.
Ay, kanako.
She's got eyes of the bluest skies, and if they told of rain, I'd hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place, where as a child I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Times are changing, things are getting crazy. Looking for the future in her eyes. Looking for the answers in the face of yesterday. You don't understand. Am I going crazy? Am I going wild? Do I hope for your love? What am I looking for? Am I going crazy? Am I going wild? Do I hope for your love? What am I looking for? Tomorrow in your eyes. Tomorrow in your eyes. Tomorrow in your eyes. Sweet child.
Yun, solido si Kuya Jerry. Pag napunta kayo dito sa Bawang, at siyempre pag dito kayo napadpad, hanapin nyo si Kuya Jerry. Siya yung magtutur sa inyo sa bangka. Ililibot niya kayo rito. Hotel 45 tayo. Malapit malapit ang Hotel 45, Kuya. Dito lang eh. Ayun o. Chill lang kami rito.
Bawang.
Sa Bawang pa rin tayo.